If you've seen the two videos, you realize that a lot of us are very guilty of whatever is going on, especially the one with the phone. Today, my main focus, right, is to tell you the importance of exercise. Why? Because there's so many patients recently that have been coming to the clinic for neck shoulder issues, lower back issues, and even headache, which is a cause from tension headache. My colleague will be doing a video on teaching you all some exercise on the neck shoulder, but today my main purpose is to tell you the theory behind it. Right? And so what kind of exercise should you be doing, right? What I would always recommend for patients with neck, shoulder, or even lower back issues, right, is to do cardio exercise. Cardio exercise is very important as cardio exercise will help to improve the entire circulation all around the body and will help to negate inflammation which is happening in your neck, shoulder, or your lower back. And so how long should you be exercising? Personally, I would recommend for you to do exercise, if you do it daily, 20 minutes to 25 minutes daily is more than enough. But if you are the kind who is more busy and you can't afford the time, 3 times a week, each time half an hour, this will give your body enough time for you to start to reduce inflammation and to allow your circulation to get better. So yes, exercise is very important, and I would hope that each one of you can spend a little bit of time doing exercise each day.